Hi everyone, this is Sandra Elidor from Parenting Plug. I need you to watch the whole video. Watch it from beginning to end. I have some amazing things to share with you, so make sure you stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm back. This is Sandra Elidor from Parenting Plug. I am back and I have some things I want to share with you. This is I believe my third or fourth things that I posted on here, and I need you to subscribe. This is going to be a fun and exciting journey for both you and I. This platform focuses on parenting and our children. Literally, that's the bulk of this channel. So if you're a parent, want to be a parent, or know somebody that's a parent, this channel is for you. In this channel, you're going to get tips when it comes to educating your children, disciplining information, resources that you need to better yourself as a parent, books, information, reviews, tour reviews. The list goes on and on and on, because you know our job is never enough, especially from our children. They think that we're superwoman, but our job is never enough. So there's a million things I can share with you, and you can also comment if you want specific things to answer. So in more details, what are you going to get in this channel? In this channel, I'm going to give you tips on how to help your children when it comes to reading, how to help them with writing, how to help them with the fundamentals of education, learning their ABCs, their 1 to 3s, how the numbers go together. That's what this channel is about. So I need you, the parents, to do your due diligence and go ahead and click on subscribe, because you want to know what this crazy girl has to say. And I have a lot to say. I have a lot to share with you. And I wanted to make it exciting and fun, because at the end of the day, if you're planning on educating your children, it has to be fun. It can't be boring. Who wants to deal with boring math? But how about we play basketball while we're learning math? Let's make it fun. Let's bring it back to basics, okay? On this channel, you're going to get a lot of supplemental learning. That's what I call Parenting Plug here, is supplemental learning. For the ones that are in school, are in elementary, middle school, high school, and you just want to get some more information on how to help educate them at home, after school, or during the weekends, or on vacation. Yes, you can still read on your vacation. You can have your children read on vacation, because learning is fun. So why not do something fun while we're on vacation? Why not? So you're going to get all of those things here in this channel. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with other parents. Hello. Sharing is caring. So I'm not going to keep you too long. I'm just going to go ahead and let you go and think about all of that great thing I just shared with you. So go ahead and subscribe before you leave. So I will see you soon on the next video. All right? Take care, parents. See you next time. Bye. Hi guys, this is Sandra Elidor from Parenting Plug. Yes, you are watching Parenting Plug, y'all, here on this channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that nice little shiny red button down below that you can subscribe to this channel, so you'll be the first one to get these information right away to your email. So I'm not going to keep you long. I just wanted to give you those information for you to think about. And while you're thinking, just go ahead and click that. You see that little button right there? Right there, down there? Go ahead and click that button to subscribe. So go ahead and follow me on all social media platforms. But of course, I need you to subscribe. Remember, subscribe. That little button down there on the screen, the one I think it's to your left or to your right, whichever. Go ahead and click on it, and you're going to be the first one to get the latest information from me. So without further ado, I want to say, have a good one. Bye-bye.